Do you know the cause of your hair loss?
No, it was just hormonal. Actually, I used to have tons of hair, a lot of hair. It didn't like totally fall out. It just got so thin, so people could see your scalp. So then I would notice that when people are talking to me, they're not looking me in the eye. I'm like, they're looking at my scalp. I'm like, and the whole time I'm talking to them, I'm like, they're staring. They're staring. I know they're staring.
Very self-conscious.
Super self-conscious.
Probably, yeah.
Hated my hair. It was dreadful. Actually, you know what? I remember the first time I had my hair put on. After I was done, I went to pick my son up from school and I pulled into the mom carpool thing and I got out and the lady who brings my son out, she's like, "Oh my gosh, you look so young." I was like, "What? Really? Do I?"